What's under the hood of this thing?
About 650.
650 horses? Okay, okay. Go fast. Oh, yeah.
All right, I'll see you in a minute, Glad.
Hey, go ahead and leave them shoes on my desk, too, dog.
Oh, yeah.
I'll see you at the house, Glad.
All right, G. Hey, G, I was just playing. That nigga do it.
I got you.
Go home barefoot. That nigga go
Right.
home barefoot.
All right.
Money, you want to see this thing?
You ain't got to hit it. I just want to hear it when it fires up. That's all I wanted to hear.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'll call y'all this evening.
We out. One love, baby.
All right, for sure. Yep.
Put your gloves on, dog.
Yeah. That's how they do. Hey, y'all, we got another one in. My man from up north and came through and said, Rob, bring me back to life. Actually, no, not bring me back to life. Bring me up to the new standard. So this is what we called a 2.5, which is 4 6x9s, 4 mid. I'm not gonna tell them the new stuff. We're talking about the old stuff. And so we're gonna upgrade his highs, change his base game around a little bit. And he said, don't tell him what we're doing. Well, I ain't gonna tell y'all. I ain't gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let you hear. So this is what we take breaking it down, how it used to be. And you know, so we're gonna take it from there. We're gonna take out the PDX, replace that, change a few other things around. To be continued. Money's Car Stereo. Gotta go.
Blood, it's tech flies on blood. You fuck with that, I let you choke on your blood. I put that on me. That's on me. On me. That's on me. On me. That's on me. Raise up, nigga, you are not the on me. On me. That's on me. On me. That's on me. On me. That's on me. Raise up, nigga, you are not the on me.
A little fine tuning. We're almost ready to take it outside. So we had to reinvent some of the, you know, on our wires and stuff. We're not going inside the bags. Like I said before, we're just gonna let the music speak for itself. So see what we got here.
What you had in store was never only me. Surely you know you took me by surprise. But I played a little look, I saw that message in your eye.
Yeah, well, we sitting here checking out the surroundings. One thing I do like about the Harley Davidson radio, let me turn the key on this way, that when your fuel light comes on like that, it'll let you know. It'll let you know two ways. It'll let you know via remainder, you got 22 miles to the end. And then from there, it'll also let you know, hey, you're getting low on gas. I believe this does this on the 14 and up bikes. You hit no when you don't want to go. But if I would have hit yes, it would have gave me directions either going forward or going backwards or to right to the left to the nearest gas, which I like that. GTS system in a full effect. So, know how we do it. Let's turn it on. I don't own the rights to this music, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up a little bit.
Yes.
And
Tony. And DJ Quick. You didn't think we could flip it on your ass, huh? Something for the dance floor.
turn on this way. On CVOs, you do like this. Put it in valet like that.
In a real way. It's going down like this forever. And a dip. Now what you hear is not a drag. Just Mr. DJ Quick got a brand new bang. But first I got a bang bang. A boogie for the boogie to the rhythm of the ghetto streets. Check it out now. You trying to give me some 8-ball, but no way. I'd rather have.
Well, as you hear, I'm just close up on it. There's really no need to walk down the block, because you're pretty sure if you can hear it this good right here, you're gonna hear it farther. So, you know, bring a little trouble into the life.
I wanna dance tonight. I wanna toast tonight. I'll spend my money tonight.
I ain't gonna do it.
Spend my money tonight. I wanna dance.
I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna let it be what it is. Owner's on his way. Let's see what he got to say when he get here. So,
That's that shit.
is the new improved better than what you were before?
Oh man, you already know.
I'm just, hey, you the one riding it, so you tell me. You the one twisted on the same song we had in the back.
What we took out was already smashing.
Yeah. I said this is next level.
Next level.
When
I really just called to say hi, and then we ended up doing this. See how you got me?
How them highs in the front working out
I
for
not
you?
just call you to say hi?
You
though?
did call, say hi. What's up, Rob?
Next
What's
thing I
going
know,
on?
we 900 miles over here, and we putting in this shit.
Hey.
Hey, well worth it.
Sometimes it goes down like that. You know what I'm saying?
Fly.
Okay, well I'm glad that I was a part of that.
This is him.
Okay, I'm glad you're here. Now they're gonna really hear you in
The
Seattle.
last time I picked this thing up, I told people don't run up on me. I
Uh-huh.
have to say it again. Try it now.
Try it now.
If you even thought you had a chance, try it now.
Yeah, y'all hear it. Y'all can hear it, but I can't show you what's going on. That's G14 classified information. All I can say is, hey, coming to a city near you. My name's Carter Stereo. I'm here, I'm there, I'm a little bit of everywhere. We out of here.